In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin an element in Wix. If you have an element on your Wix site that stays in place while the rest of the page scrolls, that usually means it has been pinned. This can be useful for things like buttons, menus, or contact icons, but sometimes you may want the element to scroll normally with the rest of the page instead. The good news is that removing that pinned behavior is very quick and easy. To get started, open your Wix site and go to the page where the pinned element appears. Make sure you're in the editor so you can select and change the item directly on the page. Once you're there, look for the element that is currently pinned. This could be an image, a button, a text box, or another object that remains fixed in position as you move through the page. Now click on that element to select it. This is important because Wix needs to know exactly which item you want to edit. After selecting it, right-click on the element to open the available options. A small menu will appear with different settings related to that item. From that menu, click on Pin Settings. This is where Wix gives you control over whether the selected element stays fixed on the screen or moves with the page. When the Pin Settings panel opens, you'll see the option that controls the pin behavior. At this point, simply turn off the pin option. As soon as you disable it, the element will no longer stay fixed in place. Instead, it will behave like a regular page element and scroll naturally along with the rest of your content. And that's it. That's how to unpin an element in Wix. As a quick tip, after turning the pin off, it's a good idea to preview your page and scroll through it once to make sure the element now behaves the way you want. This helps you confirm the change before publishing your site. If needed, you can always go back into the same settings and pin it again later. So to recap, go to your site page in the Wix editor, click the pinned element, right-click it, open Pin Settings, and switch the pin option off. Once you do that, the element will no longer be pinned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.